Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log out of Messenger app. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your Messenger app is updated. Open the App Store, search for Facebook Messenger, and install any available updates. Once updated, launch the app. Unlike most apps, Messenger does not have a direct logout button, but there are two easy ways to sign out. The first method is through account settings. Tap the three horizontal lines at the corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and tap Account Center. Under that, choose Password and Security, then tap where you're logged in. You'll see a list of all devices where your Facebook account is active, including Messenger. From here, you can log out of all devices. Just remember, this logs you out of Facebook entirely, not just Messenger. If you want to log out only from Messenger and keep your Facebook active, try the second method. Go back to the main screen and tap your profile in the top left corner. You'll see a list of all accounts linked to Messenger. Tap and hold the account you want to remove, then select Delete. This logs you out of Messenger without affecting your Facebook access. So that's basically how you can log out of Messenger app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.